the pinkjaytv will going to do a bike review. Ito sa bike na to, ang nagmamayari si Adik Ruben na taga trailbudz. Super addict na siya kasi nga yung bike niya napakaganda na yung mga parts. Hindi pa niya pina-review last time because hindi pa kompleto yung mga parts niya. But today we're going to do a bike review kasi nga kompleto na yung bike before he will change the frame into something better or something new. So yun, titingnan din sa bike na to. It's very nice. Ang frame na to is, or the brand itself is Intense. Dito sa bike, ayan nakakalagay dyan, Intense Carbine. Yun. So ito, it's a 29er bike where you have the rear shocks na DPX2, same as dun sa pivot ko. So this is a, I don't know how it's travel, 150, 140 travel. Pero ito, DPX2 yung rear shocks. Ang frame niya is small, 29er yung wheel set. Yun, yung kabuuan ng bike frame. And then, this model is like 2020 model, diba? 2020 model ng Intense. Ang category nito is all mountain enduro bikes. Unang-una maganda yung parts. Pangalawa, makaganda yung geometry ng bike. At the same time, yung color combination is Captain America, blue, red, and gray combination. So, yun yung gagawin natin for today's video. Unahin natin dito sa cockpit. So, ang cockpit nito is, as you can see, we have here, very obvious. It's 1-up. Ayan, makikita nyan, 1-up. 35mm na clamp size, which is, according to bike reviews, 1-up daw yung pinakamagandang handlebar when it comes to mountain biking. That's according to them. But this bike is using the 1-up na handlebar, and then yung haba nito is 800mm. Carbon siya. Ayan pwede mong pitik-pitikin yun. Pitik-pitikin mo. Pwede mong pitik-pitikin. Carbon 1-up handlebar, and we have the PNW na grip. Red. Of course, red. And then you have the Saint na caliper, brake set. You have the Saint na brake set, and you have the dmrbikes na stem na 35mm as well. So dito, yan dmrbikes with Captain America top cap. Ayan, napakaganda, di ba? So yun yung cockpit niya, guys. You have the 1-up, you have the Saint na brake set, you have the PNW na grip, red and blue combination para sa lever cover. So yan, yung red blue. So yun yung cockpit niya, and then we're going to proceed with the headset. Yung headset niya, guys, makikita niyo, it's Hope. I don't know the exact model, pero Hope yung headset, which is very common naman. It's a Hope, chrisking sa mga gamit ng mga mountain biking. At the same time, yung front suspension niya is running on Fox 38. Ito yan, 38 yan, Brad. Ayan ang laki ng function ba tawag dito. Basta laki niyan, it's 38, Fox 38 na 160 yung travel. 160, di ba? Yeah. 160 travel ito. And Kashima coated, authentic siya. He just bought a while, like 2 weeks ago. Yan, Kashima coated na suspension. And then this is a boost frame. Of course, the frame, or I mean the suspension is also boost. And then we have this one. Kita niyan, carbon yan, Brad. Ayan carbon yan, pang newbie yan. Anyway, this bike or this wheel set is LB. Makikita niyo naman yung light bicycle. And then placed with Industry 9 na Hydra na hub. Boost, of course. And then you have the LB rim, you have the Industry 9 Hydra. Of course, kulay red para at least babagay dun sa frame. And then you have this very small parts, which is the chrisking tire bulb. This is tubeless ready already. At the same time, it's running the victoriamazza trail na 2.6 para sa harap, 29er. victoriamazza 29er. At the same time, you have on the back side is the same configuration. We have the victoriamazza for the front and the rear one, 2.6 by 29 by 2.6 yung lapad. So makikita nyo itong bike na to, yung gulong na to, it's very thick. Pang trail siya, pang enduro siya na tires. So far okay naman. We've been using this one for quite some time, maybe almost a month. And there's no much difference when it comes to Maxxis tires because the category falls the same with the Maxxis tires, especially the DHF and DHR2 na tires. And then we have this little na Pro Guard.
Yeah.
Pro Guard na mud guard, which is this one is bolt on already. So makikita niyan, wala siyang nakalagay dito na mud yan. So wala niyong makikita dito guys na cable tie kasi nga bolt on na siya. It's meant for fox suspension, and there's two size for this. You have the standard and you have the mini. The mini is like this part to this part. So there's two products, models that you can buy for this. And then next natin is we have the dropper post. Dropper post we have, of course, fox transfer. Yung fox transfer na to guys, bagong-bago lang, kakakabit ko lang nung last week. We bought it brand new. I think the price for the fox transfer is around $480. $500, which is like 25,000 pesos. Pag kinonvert mo sa peso, is Kashima coated fox transfer, 150 yung travel between this part and this part. So makikita nyo bagong-bago, wala pang gasgas. And then you have the fox also na shifter. Yan, fox yan, fox po yan. Fox yan, fox to. And then the amount for this, I bought it around $90, $80 from a friend also. So yun yung magiging, yun yung dropper post na design yung shifter, parehong fox transfer yung dropper post, 150 travel. And then we have here the WTB rocket. Uy, bago lang din to
It's a new one.
2021 WTB rocket na saddle, which is meant for MTB. Napakalambot niya, napakalambot na. Baka magpapalit din ako na ito soon enough pag may pera na, pero for the meantime stick muna tayo sa current natin na saddle. But this one is nice, it's very soft and maganda. Feeling ko maganda to i-gamitin sa mountain bike kasi nga parang lapat na lapat yung pet mo dito sa part na to.
Hindi masakit pang long ride.
Hindi siya masakit daw, based from him, hindi siya masakit pag long ride mo siya gamitin. So yun yung saddle, you have the dropper post, you have the shifter, and next one will be
Drivetrain.
So the drivetrain is this. You can see we have XX1, SRAM XX1. This is the new XX1, which is copper and black combination. This is 11 or 1052 teeth, which is 520. Bigger than Shimano, which is 51T. We have the copper color, and then you have the black combination. This is XX1. Price is, I don't want to say it, but it's expensive. And together with the chain, which is cassette niya, chain niya is ang cassette niya is copper blend XX1. Kaka-install ko lang to like few weeks back. Copper, it's also expensive. And we have the X01RD here, this part. Bago lang din to, I think nakita niyo sa Facebook ko, but this is X01RD, and then you have the X01 shifter as well. This part you have the X01 shifter. At the same time, for the chain ring is we have the wolf tooth, diba?
Absolute.
We have the absolute black oval na 32 teeth, pero based from the config is that when it's like this, it's 34 teeth. When it's like that, it's 32 teeth. So I don't know how to explain that, but according to him, like if like this, it's 32 teeth. If like this, it's 34 teeth.
Yeah.
So that's how it's
combination with 32 to 30.
It's a combination of 32 and 34 teeth na chain ring. And then we have the SRAM XX1. SRAM X01 gray na crankset, carbon din to. Pwede mong pitik-pitikin yan. Pwede mong sirain yan actually. So parang ganyan yan. So yan, we have the chain crankset or crank arm na ang length nito is 170mm, which is very common sa mga mountain bikers kasi nga if it's 175, if it's 75 kasi if it's 75, the tendency is that it will hit most of the time rocks, anything that can hit this. Masyadong mahaba eh. So most of the time tumatama sa mga rocks and then sa mga ugat-ugat. So most of the time gamit namin is 170mm yung haba na itong crankset na to. This is carbon. We have the XX1 copper chain. We have the absolute black na 32-34 combination na chain ring, which is oval. And then this part We have here the
DMR.
DMR na pedal. Ayun, bago lang naman ata to. Brand Dog. Ayun o, Bolt. Brand Dog 1, Bolt, DMR. We have the red pins pero parang nawawala na yung color. But bago lang to. And then we have this, this crank boot, which is from also very common. And then we have the one up na chain ring. You have the one up bash guard. So it's a combination of the color, frame color, and this one. So red. We have the bash guard, which is black. Brand is one up. So that's everything else is it's already explained or shown. So we have another thing here, which is the 4 parts na Saint na brake set together with the 203 na
Hope rotor.
rotors, 203 sa likod and 203 sa harap. So yun yung pinaka kills ng bike na to. It's a 29er. Again, it's a 29er bike. Intense Curbine, carbon frame 29er, red black blue combination. It's a si Captain America. So ang weight nito, if I'm not mistaken, this is
Around 14.8.
14 something, because the 29er or so, the parts is
More heavy.
even though the parts is already high end. The problem is that this is 29. The tire is also heavy. At the same time, hub is also heavy. So even though you have the carbon rims, but again, this is 14 something kilos na bike. So maganda to sa mga descent. At the same time, maganda to iakyat, pero mahirap to sa mga PCN or sa mga roads. Badyak. So actually nasabi ko na lahat yung parts ng bike na to. It's very nice. It will be posted in Carousel soon enough. This is the frame, and then the rest of the parts will be transferred to a new frame, which is SB something. It's a Yeti bike. So that would be all again. This is pinkjaytv. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell button para updated kayo sa mga susunod na videos nilalabas sa Pinkjay. That would be all again. This is Jay. Bye for now. S.A.Works, baby.